This tutorial shows you how to disable Copilot so it no longer appears or runs on your PC. First, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. From there, click on Taskbar Settings. At this point, scroll down and look for the Copilot toggle under Taskbar Items. From there, toggle it off to remove the Copilot icon from your taskbar. After that, go back to your desktop and confirm the Copilot icon is no longer showing. In the next step, if you also want to stop Copilot from running in the background, right-click on the Start button and click on Windows PowerShell or Terminal and run it as administrator. From there, type in the command to disable Copilot through Group Policy if you are on Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. Once done, click on the Start button and search for Group Policy Editor instead for an easier method. Following this, click on Edit Group Policy to open it. From here, navigate to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, then Windows Copilot. At this stage, double-click on Turn off Windows Copilot. Select Enabled and click on Apply, then OK to confirm. After this, restart your PC for the group policy change to fully take effect. Keep in mind, Group Policy Editor is not available on Windows 11 Home Edition, so home users will only be able to remove the taskbar icon rather than fully disable Copilot at the system level. Finally, restart your PC and confirm Copilot is no longer appearing on your taskbar or running in the background. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off Copilot on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.